Hola amigos, bienvenidos, ¿cómo están? Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to another chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center, and today we'll be talking about a stem changing verb, jugar. So what is a stem? We have been talking about regular AR, ER and IR verbs. Let's take one of them, hablar. So hablar means to speak or to talk. So if we look over here, ar, it is the infinitive ending of a verb and rest of the verb is called a stem. So in regular verbs, what happens is that we have defined endings for AR, ER and IR verb for each of the personal pronouns. Yo, tú, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ustedes form. And we add the stem to the predefined endings to form the conjugation. So when I want to say I speak, hablo. You speak, hablas. And similarly, habla, hablamos, habláis, hablan in present tense. Now, what's the difference over here in stem changing verb? So let's take the example. Jugar. Jugar, it means to play or to bet. Whenever you want to talk about games, matches, sports, or to bet or gamble, this is the verb that you'll use, jugar. And it's not a regular verb. It is a stem changing verb. So over here, the stem is hug. Hug. It's a two-syllable word, jugar, and hug is the stem. So how does it differ? So if you want to form the conjugation for each of the personal pronouns, yes, because it's a AR verb, we will have the AR verb endings which we have studied before. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. But here the stem will also change. It will no longer be, if you want to say I play, it will no longer be jugo. Alright, the stem will change. So how does it changes? So here we see that it's one syllable and the vowel here is u. U. So u changes to ua. Ua. And this change occurs in the stem only in the L region, which means yo, tú, usted and ustedes form. It's not applicable for nosotros and vosotros form. So if you would recall, we talked about this L when we were talking about IR verbs. Alright? So let's try to form the conjugations. I play. We have this he. U changes to ue, and we have this hard G. Juego, I play. You play, juegas. He plays, juega. They play, juegan. So you see the stem has changed in this L area. Then we play, jugamos. It remains as it is. Jugamos. You all play, jugáis. Alright, and this all conjugation are applicable again for the present tense only. Let's try and use them in few sentences. I play soccer. Juego football. He plays tennis. He is él juega tenis. We play basketball on Sundays. So, nosotros jugamos basketball los domingos. We play basketball on Sundays. Nosotros jugamos basketball los domingos. Let's play. So, let's play can also be said as let's go and play. So, for go, we talked about it. There's a verb ir, and we'll use nosotros form of it. It becomes vamos a jugar. Let's go and play. Vamos a jugar. And if you're talking about a sports person or any player, so they are called as jugador. Jugador. So that means if you're talking about players, jugadores. Jugadores. So that's again new term for you. So yes, jugar may seem like bit out of way from what we have seen earlier, but then you got to learn it, you got to practice it, start using it in your sentences, and you'll be just fine. Do subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting notification as and when new videos are being uploaded, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Adios.